product manager doing e-commerce consulting, just moved back home to India. So I was walking around with my parents the other day trying to buy a TV, and every retailer we went to quoted us a different price based on the retailer we went to before. So I was like, this has to be a little easier. Flash, my mom's buying chana at a local grocery store, and she spent about 30 minutes going to 5 different grocery stores to make a saving of 12 rupees because she loves doing that. And I was like, that has to be a little easier. So why can't we do something where you're texting in the name of the product, you're texting in the UPC code, you're doing some form of input where you can just send the product and the price, and we give you something that's either offline or online, wherever it is, at a better price. And it can be brute force, whether somebody picking up a kirana, it can go to those guys, it can even be that we sell it to you, whatever. And the vision being that one day, you do price equality even for fishermen in Gujarat, even for anybody selling any type of farm good, but starting with a vertical and then expanding it out. I'm going to call it Water Price, and Dhruv, looking for devs primarily in finance.
Go ahead and start. Hi, my name is Rishabh, and I'm actually building a social network of music. I came back from the US to build this idea. I was working in film production before this. So the idea is very simple. It's connecting fans and artists. However, the biggest problem right now is, this is again for the indie music industry, which is basically live genres. Live music genres like heavy metal, rock, and all of these guys are listening to this amazing music, but they don't have exposure towards it. What I mean by that is that fans are not able to find out what events and what music is happening in their city and what they would really like. On the other hand, these indie musicians don't have a platform where they can provide all their content in an organized manner. So this project is called Musalize, Socialize with Music, and I need some UI designers and developers.
Ready? Go. Yeah, hi. I'm Kamal. I'm working as a developer. So my idea, let's call it, it's a bit misnomer, but let's call it life after death. So most of us make investment in financial instruments like mutual funds, shares, ULIPs, and insurance companies. While making an investment, what we do is we declare a nominee who will inherit the investment after the death of the investor. But sometimes most of the times it so happens that the investor forgets to tell the nominee about the investment. Now that happens usually in this paperless world. So let's assume the investor dies after some time. So now the nominee doesn't have any way of knowing about the investment that were made by the investor and claim that money. So I'm exploring the possibility of developing some kind of online portal that could fetch all the information about the investments made by the investor and present it to the nominee.
Thank you. You got a mic? Here you go. Go ahead, start.
Hi, I'm Nagar Roy. I'm nervous, so I'll read it out. I guess most of you have used Yahoo Chat and at least once. And when you go to Yahoo Chat, what do you get? You say hi for an hour, and then you get no response at all. Most of the time, it's like that. And then there is Omegle, which is reduced to a 6 chat, nothing else, and even there you don't get a response. So here is something different. It's Kismet Connection, I'll call it. So it's a random chat portal like Omegle, but it's only audio, no video. Okay, and it will have different chat rooms, and there is certain rules which will have an element of gamification added to it. Okay, so that's my idea. Thank you.
Hello?
Ready? Go.
Hi, my name is Pavish, and I'm an interact designer for 5 years. So we buy products and services in our day-to-day life. And what happens is, to buy these products, the three key things are price, basically that you look at, the features, and from where you can buy it. But what about customer relationship? Customer relationship is really important. What we want to build, so when we saw it, how can I found which brand or which product gives the best customer relationship in India and worldwide? Where do you go? There's no online portal for it. So we saw and researched and looked hard and found Twitter to be the best answer. The problem with Twitter is so much of data. It's a data minefield. What to do? So what we try to do is get the data out of Twitter, which has these important chunks of information that can be used as examples of best customer relationships and build a portal. We want to build a standard for customer relationship in India.
Ready? Go. Hi, my name is Siddharth and I'm a developer for about 5 years now. Our idea actually came to us when we were wasting our money in GameStop, and we came across this kiosk for the games catalog, and it was quite bad. And we thought, can we create a system, that's highly interactive and immersive, and yet uses relatively inexpensive hardware compared to a kiosk. And we found Microsoft Kinect actually provides us with just such a solution. I know I said Microsoft, but please focus on the Kinect part. It's a really awesome product. We are calling our product Kinesis, which is basically Kinect and telekinesis, and we are looking for marketing and design guys. Thanks.
Ready? Go.
Hi, my name is Arun. I'm a really good designer. You just have to believe me. I'm looking for really good developers. The idea is this: an Indian Etsy, where you connect all the artisans, handicrafts people, all kinds of people who make independent, creative art in India, cities, towns, metros, villages, wherever. Take them online, sell their products online. That's the idea. That's looking for really good developers.
That's a pitch. Ready? Go.
This is Raghav Kansal. I'm running my own company, Evolution Technologies. My idea is to build an online platform that will enable colleges to accept and manage applications online, and at almost zero upfront cost, which can be made possible through software as a service model. There are around 26,000 colleges across India, and only 20% are accepting applications online. There are a few startups that have come up in this space, like userwish.com, applytomany.com. I think can be better, and I'm looking for a few developers and user interface. Thank you.
So everyone, I just want to give you a quick reminder. Give us a 5 to 10 second introduction of yourself. Tell us what is the problem. Tell us what your solution is, and tell us what you're looking for, okay? And try to hold the mic a little bit closer to your mouth so people can hear you. And you ready? Go.
Right. Every one of us likes to decorate their homes, make it look good, elegant and everything. The point is, you don't know if you're fond of art. Everyone likes art or photography, but you want to buy it, you don't know where to buy it. You have few centers, art galleries, but it becomes inconvenient to go there. It becomes more expensive to buy. And it's also, you don't get any customization. There are limited options at any given point you want. So the idea is to create an art mart, which is a online, marketplace for photographers, artists and everything. And on the other side, the customers who can buy it. What it offers to the customers is, obviously the convenience. It could be customizations. What borders you want, you could select as per their wall. Anything you want to order, it could be some customized art could do it. You could share us a photo of your room. We could share what best pick could. About me, I've been into the marketing space, into the new product development in telecom for the last 5 years. Avid photographers myself, and I'm looking for developers who can help me.
Thank you. Thank you. Ready? Go.
Yeah, I can understand. This is funny because this is not the way how we communicate in real life. So our product's name is Elberts, and this will bridge the gap between online communication and the real world one. Here, it's basically a voice-based social network where you can update your status and comments in your own voice and your preferred language. Just imagine how great it would be to get voice updates daily from Sachin Tendulkar or Shah Rukh Khan. It's just not the celebrities, it can be your old buddies, it can be your relatives abroad or your online buddy. And this will help you to unleash yourself in your own voice. So a text box usually traps your passes, your intentions and emotions. So I'm Ravi Prasad and I have experience in the .com domain for past 5 years and I have a developer along with me and we are looking for developers and designers. And we came all the way from Hyderabad for this. So join us so that...
Thank you. Ready? Okay. Sorry about that. Everyone's asking.
Nobody should see now. He's doing work.
Yeah, seriously.
The new idea is born. I'm from Mumbai and I sell offshore funds for a living and want to do something more interesting than that right now, so that's why I'm here. So the idea is that MBA meets jobs. Now the deal is that currently the MBA, especially the non-top institutes, don't have much job options because the institute teaches them marketing finance but doesn't teach them where to look and which industry to go for. And the institute doesn't take the full responsibility of their placements, so who will? And the deal is that the companies find it logistically very difficult to go beyond the top 20 institutes to connect with each of these individual institutes. So the solution is a platform which allows online and offline interaction like we are having today for startup, orientation in the industry where the mentors are managers and they give you case studies and simulation, online and offline both, where you get a fair idea of what you need. And do I introduce me?
Thank you. Thank you. This way. Over
MBA
here.
means jobs. MBA means jobs.
Ready? Go.
Hi, I'm Uditi, an ex-management consultant, eco-grad from Hindu, chartered accountant, stints in Ernst & Young around 6 years, Unitas, Grameen Foundation, lots of consulting and stuff, also co-founder of mentorjunction.com. So my idea is Travel Martini, workplace, a unique marketplace, I would say, for travel experiences. So it's like an Airbnb for travel experiences. If you have something to offer, Nishant here wants to discuss and give some VC gyan to entrepreneurial travelers coming to India over a cup of coffee. Or Faris there loves photography and wants to offer his photography lessons during the weekends. So if Travel Martini lets you book travel experiences and also lets you offer travel experiences. So this is the idea, and I need developers, UIs, travel enthusiasts. Thank you.
Ready? Go.
Hey guys, I'm Gunjan. I'm Gunjan. I am from Brits Pilani, currently a senior analyst at Bain & Company. All the boring stuff, coming to the idea. My idea is to make a Salesforce.com for complaints management. So currently what happens in any startup or any SME, all you do is jugaad, like email, Excel, everything. So to make one place, say save my customer, that's my name. So to make one place which can handle everything, right from customer reporting to recording to resolution and then back to reporting. So an entire process for customer complaint management. I need developers, designers, or like anyone who can do some jugaad.
Ready? Go.
Hi, good evening, I'm Rohit. E-learning today is basically standard lessons posted online which students access remotely. There is no personalization according to student needs and definitely no connect with the end user. Therefore, I give you My Prep Me. It has iPrep.me, which is an adaptive practice platform in a gamified model. So students can learn according to their true abilities, they get to know their real SWOT, target improve their weak areas, basically learn better through relevant practice. Then there's Prep Academy, which is a social learning network where students can compete and collaborate in study hubs. Network in these hubs are based on the subjects they're studying, their abilities, as well as the social networks and the institutes. Now the whole learning ecosystem is offered B2B to institutes, smaller institutes which do not have any online presence. So basically this increases their value proposition significantly. The service is also offered to B2C customers through web service and a mobile app. It is planned to start with GMAT and CAT. Thank you.
Thank you. Hi, I'm Amit. I have a background in entrepreneurial ventures. I have a entrepreneurial venture called Donut Factory right now, which is operating. But the idea I'm about to pitch is on the technology side, which is my family business. I'm in the calling of doing services for commercials as well as home. So if you want to set up a home theater system or maybe do a CCTV for your entire factory, there is no sort of website that actually helps a customer select whether the person who's doing a job is the right guy for you, has experience. So basically what I'm trying to say, a TripAdvisor for people doing service-oriented business. It could be anybody in the hospitality business, it could be anybody in the IT services, basically just to give back to the customer to help them select the right person. That's it.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Hi, this is Praveen Samaria. I completed my MTech from IIT Delhi, I'm doing MTech. And the idea which I have is Atithi Deva Bhava, come to India and live with us. So basically what is happening nowadays, whenever somebody from other country or someone from north goes to south, want to feel the real India, what is going on in the villages, what is there actually. And what they are getting is, they stay in the hotel, get the hotel food and come back. They really don't know what is going on. So the idea is to connect people to the household people, means presenting an idea where, presenting an online portal where a person can connect to the household people or the guest houses directly and can arrange how they are going to visit the India in their true way, the true way of India. Thank you. So basically we are looking for person who want to be the developer, I myself is a developer, so anybody can come. Thanks.
Hi, this is Rajesh. My idea is about the collaboration. Right now in the Delhi metro, there's almost 1.6 million people are traveling. If you look at the traveling time, it is more than 10 minutes. If let's say we can take out 5 minutes of one person, we can have 15 years in a single day. How we can utilize the 15 years? We can utilize in marketing, in branding, and doing a survey. Why will someone give us that 5 minutes? We will get the 5 minutes, we will reimburse them their fares, and we will give them reward points to make them make their journey full. That's it. Thank you.
Ready?
Hello. Hi, my name is Anil Darwa. I work with Shekhar Dutt and we work at bottom of the pyramid NGOs. The problem that we are going to solve here is marriages. Poor people, they don't have money, so they ask for dowry. Because they ask for dowry, parents kill their female child, and all this social problem led them not to send their children to school. What we're going to do is we're going to create a platform where poor people can get married free of cost. For that, I need developers, just like somebody can create a website like matrimony.com and keep marketeers who can do fundraising and from government, from corporate, like CSR kind of thing. That's it. So I need you guys to come with me and solve the problem of the poor people by creating a marriage, by creating a BOP marriage kind of thing. Thank you.
My name is Hariom, and the thing I'm focusing is area of interest. Everybody has got an area of interest, passion. So the problem is anything you need related to your passion is completely scattered in real life and as well as on the internet. So the thing is, I'm creating a platform for passion, every passion, like having no limits. And anything you need related to your passion, related businesses, related information or anything, can be put over there, and that can be mixed with the thing like local businesses and local listing, and so making money out of it can ever be a problem. And area of interest is the focus, so that it can be expanded, and the name is nothing else matters. Name itself says I have my own area of interest, which matters for me, and nothing else matters. I'm a developer, and I'm looking for developers and
Thank you.
Hello. I'm VJ. It's my first year after 10 years of not smoking. Last year, I ran the Marine Corps Marathon in Washington, D.C., and the way I got to this level of health was really largely attributed to drinking clean water and enough of it. So my idea is to start a nonprofit organization to be able to bring clean drinking water to parts of the world that don't have that ability, and also for the people who do have clean drinking water to make sure that they're drinking enough of the clean water. It's going to start with a simple idea of a smart cup, which basically monitors the amount of water that you're drinking, you can share, and people can provide some information for it. And also the profits made from that goes into investing into parts of the world that don't really have clean drinking water yet, and hopefully everyone drinks clean drinking water and we all have a great, healthy life. I'm looking for anyone who's interested in this mission. Thank you.